Bumch number 3 in startup. Negative 10 inches, 11, 12. So this is an example of a machine that potentially has blow by. We're reading negative 13 currently, but once we put a load on the machine, you're going to see the number go the other way. Not sure what to make of it, but we'll check the obvious. The contactor just closed and our vacuum is dropping. And now we're positive pressure. So we're reading positive crankcase pressure out of the same location. If we pull this hose off, you can see the flume coming out. Don't know if it's making it to the camera, but it's definitely got an issue. So this unit also has a oil leak at the sump. It had a bad dipstick tube, expansion plug, and the PCV valve hose is hard as a rock. So next step is we're going to check PCV hose. Pulling negative 4 to negative 5 inches of water column. We'll go a little further. You can see the passenger side valve cover breather. Bumch number 3. Now reading at the air inlet tube. And we're reading negative 4 inches of water column, 110 kW. Old PCV valve back in and see what happens. Notice there's no flume. Something very interesting. No changes other than replacing the PCV valve. Same engine. Bumch number 3. Remember, this was positive 5 inches of water column, and it was fluming right out of the valve cover, right into the intake tube, which you can see is compromised. I replaced just the PCV valve, not even the hose, and now we're in negative. Bumch number 3, making 110 kW, 2400 RPM, 60 PSI oil pressure. Negative 6.5, negative 6.7 inches of water column. And at operating temperature.